Dallas. Dallas, do you want me to get your pigs out? Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh. Go ahead. Back. Back. Come here. Okay, Dallas got a new pig. But it's not in this pile. Are they all there, Dallas? Is everybody there? Are you missing one? I'm gonna sneak it in here, see if she notices. Are they all there? Bring it here, Dal. Let's see if she notices as she comes around the corner. Okay, Dallas, grab one. Bring one. Dallas, get one, come on. Did you see the big one? Is that the one you wanted? Are you bringing it in with the rest of the group? Are you bringing it in with the rest of the pigs? It's a good one, huh? It's a good one, huh, Dal? She's so cute. Dallas, I love you. I love you. I know what you're thinking. I love you, Dal.